if you have a problem with your device isn't compatible with this version on Play Store, first of all, go ahead to our version of software update or software software update, and then go ahead to the general, or in your case you can just go ahead to software update right away from the main settings. In our case, go ahead to the software update, make sure that you updated your your Android phone to the latest version, so you can actually have access to all the new features. If you're still facing that same issue, go to the Play Store problems, right, or go to the Google Play app, right, on your iPhone, on your Android. In our case, go ahead to the general and then iPhone storage, and then if you find the Google Play Store or App Store, in that case, just go ahead and force stop the or you install the update on the Google Play, and then that should force Google Play to update to the latest version, and that should fix your problem. Okay, so let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.